2016. Alberta Highway Services wins the bid for the contract of maintenance of the southwest portion of the Calgary Ring Road. The construction begins the same year for a 2020 opening. During that period, the teams at Alberta Highway Services had the daunting task to predict the maintenance needs of the Ring Road until 2051.
We started the build process a couple of years ago, and we found a piece of land that we thought would work. It was near the Ring Road. So at one point in time was an actual hill covered in trees. So it's been quite a piece of engineering go into it to bring it to the state it is today. We actually broke ground in October of 2019. Started the building process in about January, February 2020 with the vertical build itself.
But one question remained. What does the future hold for transportation 30 years from now?
When the province takes over the road, the universe is going to look quite different. One of the reasons that there's such a large space between the two carriageways is that they actually have the greater Calgary Ring Road, the next circle out. So by the time the province takes it back over, there could be another two carriageways in there. Or everyone has self-driving cars and the volume of traffic is cut in half. It's going to be totally different when the province takes it over one way or the other.
So with that level of uncertainty in mind, Alberta Highway Services had to build on certain fundamentals. We will still use heavy equipment 30 years ahead. So AHS needed a hub to store and maintain its heavy equipment fleet. Planning ahead also meant thinking of sustainable development as key to every aspect of the project. To plan carefully also meant strong emphasis on employee training.
Yeah, this room will be set up and it'll be used as our training facility for all of our employees. Our operators require specific training to operate the plow trucks. They will require specific training to manage our programs and fill out the reports that are required as we do our inspections. So it gives us the space where we can isolate ourselves and conduct our business and conduct our meetings.
The concern for environment and future regulations led to a lead construction approach for vertical construction.
This will be our truck facility. We'll keep all of our heavy equipment in here, our plow truck, and they'll stay in here during the winter. Keep them winter ready to respond to the storm event and keep the surface clean. We keep them inside. That way we can ensure that they start, the hydraulics work properly, equipment's not froze up in these Calgary winters. This particular building will house our sand and salt that will be required for the maintenance during the winter on the road. It's kind of a unique building. It's new for us. It's designed to be environmentally friendly. All the lights in the building are motion sensor. So if it's not in use, the lights are off. When you walk in, the lights come on. They're all LED lights. It provides us with a lot of lighting in here. It's very visible. We did put the light panels on the side as well to help with safety for our crews. The ponds are very specific to the site, is to catch the runoff from the sand shed and from our winter operations. Will contain any contaminants from the salt, or the tracking from our units will be contained in the large pond. We'll then in turn use that water for our fire suppression system. And it's a fantastic facility. It's custom built. We spent a lot of time designing it. We're very close to the project, as you can see. It's in the background here. And it gives us the opportunity to grow and develop our business and further extend into hopefully the next contract as they complete the Ring Road Circle around Calgary.
While snow plowing may be the most obvious maintenance required on the road, AHS is also responsible for all the maintenance on the SWCRR, including road patrols of the entire network. Sign repair and replacement, signal maintenance, street lights, line paving and pavement markings, guardrail and barrier maintenance, bridge washing, inspections and maintenance, and even landscaping for the 430 lane kilometers and the 48 bridge structures. The AHS team works 24/7 and provides 24-hour response for any incident.
Standard General and Alberta Highway Services and Colas will continue to participate in the ongoing maintenance and the ongoing operation of the road for the next 30 years. And that's really exciting to be connected to Calgary in such a long-term way.